Three ingredients that combine together make the perfect brunch: eggs, avocado, and salmon. Let's start with the avocado. Cut it in half, twist it apart, and remove the stone with the edge of the knife. Finally, slice it inside like this to make it easier to remove the flesh. Avocado starts going brown right away, so add lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper, mash it up with a fork, cover, and set it aside. You can use whatever kind of bread you prefer to make your toast. I myself particularly like this rustic sourdough loaf. For convenience, I cut the slice in half first, then toast it lightly in the pan with a splash of oil. Now it's time to make the eggs. You can do your eggs scrambled or fried, or as I like them, poached. I'll show you how. First, add white wine vinegar to gently simmering water, and then get it swirling with a whisk. And then add the egg. Like that. Leave the egg to cook for 3 or 4 minutes, then remove it from the water. Now we have everything we need to make our avocado toast. So, let's start with the avocado itself. Now, add the smoked salmon, and then very gently place the eggs on top of the salmon. Transfer the toast to the chopping board. And finally, top the toast with a little fresh thyme and some lemon zest. And a splash of oil. That's just one of many different ways to make avocado toast. Sometimes I add sliced ham, sun-dried tomatoes, caramelized red onions, whatever I fancy. Let me know in the comments what your favorite topping is. And now, time to taste. Delicious. Fantastic. Try it at home.
Ciao.